Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you grade 8 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, the farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: write a clear topic sentence using specific words, vivid verbs and modifiers, etc. Dear students, we have learned about the specific words, vivid verbs and modifiers in our previous class too. Look at the page number 9 in your textbook, section B. Read the last paragraph of the lesson carefully and identify the specific words, vivid verbs and modifiers. Write a clear topic sentence for the paragraph using specific words, vivid verbs and modifiers. First, we will discuss what are the specific words, vivid verbs and modifiers. Now, if you look at here, a topic sentence states or suggests the main idea or topic of a paragraph. This is the paragraph from your unit number 1. This is the last paragraph of unit number 1 on page number 6. What are the specific words? Particular words that reflects the main idea. Specific words are those words which are the specific words that reflect, which connects, shows you, or tells you more about the topic, the main idea. In this paragraph, we have specific words like human rights, moral values, charters of women's rights, prophethood, finality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, brotherhood. These are the specific words which reflecting the main idea, what the paragraph is about. This is about Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the things which he said in his final sermon. Now look at the vivid verbs. These are the descriptive verbs that gives detail to an idea. Descriptive words are those words which create an image of a verb. In this paragraph, we have descriptive verbs are declaration, perfected, enunciated, establishing. What are the modifiers here? An adjective or an adverb that provide additional information. We discussed the parts of speech in our previous lesson of this unit. Adjective and adverb are the parts of speech which modifies a noun or an adverb. Adjective modifies a noun, tells you more about the noun, or adverb tells you more about a verb. So we have so many examples of adjectives and adverbs in here, of modifiers here. Let me give you some examples. Remarkable, inspirational, benevolence, divergence, righteousness, operation. Yes. So, dear students, it's now clear to you what's the specific words, vivid verbs and modifiers are. You need to write a clear topic sentence for the paragraph using specific words, vivid verbs or modifiers. For example, you can give a topic sentence like this. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a remarkable person, or Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam justice. You can give a topic like this. Just read it, the paragraph carefully, find all the modifiers, vivid verb and specific word and give it a suitable topic sentence. Now look at the page number 9 of your textbook, section C. After brainstorming and developing ideas, write a simple and unified paragraph on justice of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let me tell you what is brainstorming. Brainstorming is thinking of all your ideas and writing them down so you get all your ideas out and don't forget them. Brainstorming is thinking of all your ideas, think of your ideas, organize them in sentence and paragraph so they should not be abrupt, they should be connected and related to each other, and you need to write about a simple and unified paragraph. Unified means all the sentences and ideas should be related and connected to each other. You can take the help from your text or any journal example. We have read about so many examples of justice of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Generally, we all know about the character of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can write by yourself too, and you can also take the help from your text. Dear student, this is your homework from Summer Pack. Write an application to the principal of your school to allow your class to play in the ground. This is a sample of an application. How you will write it? First, address your principal like this, your school name and your address. Then the subject will be the seeking permission for playing in the ground. This is the greeting. Respected sir or madam, you will start like this with due regard and write about the main body like seeking permission for playing in the ground for your class, and you will end like this. Your concluding will be like this: thank you, yours sincerely, your name and date of an application. I hope, dear student, you can do this your task very easily, and I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.